Every cell in your body has the same DNA, but not every gene is turned on. What decides which ones stay active and which go silent? That's methylation, the tiny molecular switchboard that controls how fast you age. And when methylation gets disrupted, your biological age starts climbing faster than the number of candles on your birthday cake. Now, methylation is a process where your body attaches a tiny molecule called a methyl group to your DNA structure. Think of it like a dimmer switch that turns genes up, down, or completely off. When methylation is working well, your repair genes stay active and your inflammation genes stay quiet, and your detox and hormone pathways run smoothly. But over time, with stress, poor sleep, menopause, nutrient deficiencies, and inflammation, those methylation patterns start to drift. This is called epigenetic drift, and that is one of the biggest reasons people age faster than they should. Your repair slows, inflammation rises, and your cells start behaving older than you are. Now, here's the methylation cycle in a nutshell. I'm trying to make it's complicated, but I'll try to make sense of it for you. The nutrients from your food, especially choline, folate, and vitamin B12, enter this pathway and help your body produce SAMe, your master methyl donor. Now, SAMe is short for S-adenosyl methionine. I think I got that right. It's a mouthful. It drives your gene-regulating methylation reactions. When this cycle is working well, it keeps homocysteine, an inflammatory marker, in check and allows you to make glutathione. Glutathione is your body's most powerful antioxidant and one of your biggest defenses against aging. So here's the Fact Friday nugget. The amazing part, which I think it's amazing, you can support healthy methylation every single day. Eat nutrient-dense foods rich in choline, folate, and B12, like eggs. I eat 3 a day. Beef liver, salmon, and leafy greens. Get enough magnesium, which we talk a lot about on this channel, and zinc. Lower inflammation by avoiding seed oils, excessive sugar, and alcohol. Improve sleep and manage stress. Cortisol can directly alter your methylation patterns. So this is so important as you're going through menopause. Even biological age tests like True Diagnostic measures your methylation patterns to tell you how fast you're aging on the inside. So here's the bottom line. Inflammation might start the aging process, but methylation determines whether your DNA fights back or not. Support your methylation pathways and your body will literally start acting younger. If you missed yesterday's video, I'll link it up here on either one of those sides. And so if you missed yesterday's video on the #1 blood marker that predicts your biological age, go and watch that next. These two videos go hand in hand. I'll link it in the description and at the end of this video. And if you would like help building your own longevity plan, reach out anytime at theprimalprofessor@gmail.com for one-on-one coaching. This is Dr. Rose. I'll see you tomorrow in the next Daily Spoonful.